One new Boxer VBS2612 vertical bandsaw weighing 1,450 pounds, featuring maximum throat depth of 26 inches, maximum work height of 12 inches, variable blade speed from 15 to 1,500 meters per minute through 2-speed gearbox. Three horsepower main drive motor. Half-inch blade. 23 by 27 inch table dimension. Tilting table. Post elevating hand wheel complete with carbide guides. Equipped with chip blower, blade welder, blade grinder, blade shear, work light, upper wheel tilt adjuster, blade tensioning device complete with indicator, digital readout tachometer, rip fence, toolbox.